Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 102 Chestfield Road. Now, this substantial semi-detached family home offers a huge amount of living space. We've got a 32-foot by 17-foot kitchen, dining and family space with bifolding doors. We've got the separate lounge with log-burning stove, plus the playroom as well. We've got the walk-in pantry and separate utility room, 5 fantastic sized bedrooms, a 62-foot west-facing rear garden with access through to the playing fields, off-road parking to the front. All of this offered within a wonderful village location which is close by to Chestfield Golf Course. Now, the accommodation on offer here is extremely adaptable and offers a range of different requirements to suit your needs. So we come through from the hallway and gone through and taken a good look there at the playroom to the front, and then coming through from the lounge area there with that lovely big window to the front, just letting all of that natural light flood through with the wood burning stove there forming a feature of the room. It then opens through into an incredible kitchen, dining and family space through to the rear. Now, it's wonderful that you've got that separation between reception spaces here. You've got this huge entertaining space at the back with all of that light flooding through there from the sky lantern. You've got the bifolding doors to the rear there as well. This is the perfect space to entertain friends, family throughout the year, and it's wonderful that you can throw open those bifolding doors and bring the outdoors inside during those beautiful warm summer evenings. Huge amount of worktop space here, plenty of storage. You've got an arrangement of fitted appliances here with a range then of space for loose white goods as well. From here we've got that fantastic walk-in pantry, we've got the utility room as well, and then we're going to head through and take a look at the bedroom spaces. So just coming through into the pantry here, you can see perfectly fitted out there with the cupboards and the shelves, absolutely fantastic, and even space for the fridge. That's absolutely wonderful. Coming back through into the kitchen area here, you can just look there spanning across the living space to the rear, and again it is so wonderful that you've got those clear separations between the reception spaces there as well. Really nice and convenient cloakroom there for guests on the ground floor just off from the kitchen area, and then of course we're going to head upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms next. Upstairs, coming through into the first of the bedrooms here, wonderful sized room with that view across to the front, plenty of space in here for the bed and further storage, a little bit of storage there on the left hand side of us now, on the right as you enter through into the room. Just heading along now, we've got another fantastic sized bedroom, this time plenty of room there for the double bed and for further storage with that view out across to the rear. Of course, we do have the playing fields with the gated access from the rear garden there. Measures about 62 feet and is west facing, so you are going to get that sunshine just flooding through the rear of the property all afternoon. A wonderful aspect. Coming out from the bedroom there, we're going to go across and take a look at another bedroom before heading through and taking a look at the main family bath and shower room. Another bedroom here with again that view across into the rear garden opening through onto the playing fields. Plenty of space in here for the bed, further storage, chest of drawers and wardrobes and the like. You can see there that's the extent of the top of that, the extension through to the ground floor as well. Just across from us there we've got the main family bath and shower in there. You've got that beautiful feature bath unit straight ahead of you there, shower unit on the left hand side with the chrome heated towel rail on the left, and then of course the sink unit on the right. And then just coming out from here we've got the separate WC, which again is really convenient for those busy mornings. From there we've got another 2 bedrooms to go through and take a look at before we head out into the rear garden. So separate WC there. To the end of the corridor on the left hand side, another wonderful double-sized room, plenty of space there for the bed, chest of drawers, wardrobes, view out to the front as well with this one. So we're going to head through and take a look at the last of the bedrooms here at number 102 Chestfield Road. A fantastic double bedroom here with that view across into the rear garden. Plenty of room in here for the chest of drawers, wardrobes, double bed and the like. Plenty of space to work with. A really nice light and bright and airy room with that west facing aspect to the rear. So we're going to head out into the back garden. I'll leave you just for a moment or two to take that space in, and then we'll reconvene and go through a couple of the property's key points. So there we have it. We've had a good look around number 102 Chestfield Road, and I've left you in the rear garden just for a few moments to take that space in, and now we're just going to go through a couple of the property's key points again. So this is number 102 Chestfield Road, a substantial semi-detached family home offering an extremely versatile arrangement of living spaces. We've got that 32 foot by 17 foot kitchen, dining and family room to the rear with the bifolding doors, separate lounge with wood burning stove and that separate playroom as well. We've got the walk-in pantry and separate utility room, 5 good sized bedrooms, that 62 foot west facing rear garden with access into the playing fields, off-road parking to the front, all offered within a beautiful village location close to Chestfield Golf Course. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.